Oh, so you want to send a ringtone, don't you? Sounds about right. What should it be? That's silent, don't worry. Don't panic. Why am I not panicking? There's every right to panic. These are pathetic. Seriously, these are pathetic. That's pathetic. That's the one my mum has. Doesn't sound like a post box. Doesn't sound like a postman. Sherbet? Sherbet's something you eat, not a ringtone. Pretty sure Tinkerbell does not make that noise. No, I don't want that. Ringtones. No. Too easy. Oh yeah, nah. Oh, this song. Ah, it's my boyfriend's ringtone. Lol. Funny, interesting.